Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. In today's video, we are going to do the comparison between priority and the severity. Severity specifies the impact of a defect on an application, how serious the defect is, whereas the priority specifies the importance of defect or the urgency to fix the defect. Or in the other term, we can say that the impact of a bug or a function on an application level is called severity. Whereas in the priority, the impact of a bug or a function on a business level is called priority. The next difference is tester selects the severity of a bug, whereas the severity of the bug is selected by the project lead or the project manager. In the priority and severity, in both the cases, we have the multiple levels for priority as well and for severity as well. So in severity, we have the critical, major, minor, and low. So these are the different levels for a severity. And in the priority, we have high, medium, low. So these are the levels are there in a priority. Next difference is the severity of bug is associated with the functionality or a standard, whereas the priority of bug is associated with the scheduling.